Hey folks, how's it going? It's week 4. It's going fast. It always does, no matter what. Um, so there's going to be another video posted that is giving you kind of an overview of, a bigger overview of this week. Um, this video is more about just catching up with you and making sure everyone's on, we're all on the same page. So I'm going to try to make it quick, but I think it's an important video to do. So once again, sorry about the confusion with this week. It's always clear in my head what I mean. Obviously, it wasn't too clear, but I'm going to reiterate something here about the class. I have this very sequenced, and one of the biggest compliments I get about the class, even from people who aren't big fans of taking the course, is that it's sequenced in such a way that if you follow along and you keep up, one thing builds off of another. So real quick, if you so you're selecting an issue right now and posting a presentation, which is due by Monday, but because we don't have class, university's closed, you take till Tuesday. Doesn't matter that much. It's going to be more about your groups. But you're selecting an issue. Here in a couple weeks, you're going to be doing finishing a literature review, and then after that, you're going to do a proposal presentation, and then after that, you're going to write up a proposal. So it's all sequenced in such a way that's building upon itself. And all the activities I do in the course help you work through your educational issue that you're going to write a proposal on. So I do appreciate the questions for clarification. However, it is important too that you check out the syllabus when these things come up, especially just reading the brief descriptions. I don't write really long syllabi, and I try to make my descriptions of the activities or the assignments especially brief yet clear. So, but if they're not, ask questions. So I've also met and talked with a couple people this week, which I really enjoy doing. And I know some of you just like to do the online thing and complete the course, which I get. So, but if you want to meet, I will do my best to set up a mutually beneficial time to do that. A little foreshadowing here in the syllabus. Really, the topic for next week, what we're going to get into, is really going to be focused on conducting a literature review. So I think that's going to be useful. In some ways, it would be useful for this week. I guess I could open that. For this week, because you need to find a handful of articles, or for the discussion it was find one, and then maybe have 3 or 4 for this week. And that's good to do, but you haven't learned a lot about conducting a literature review. So maybe I'll just open both weeks, and then you can look ahead if you want to, if you need to, if you're struggling finding articles, and you can look ahead into, thanks for the email there, Karen Waller just came through. You can look ahead and get some quick skills on, there's a lot of resources about conducting a literature review. So, but I'll just open both. I don't see any reason not to do that. There's just a lot there, so it's a lot to get through. So, but use it at your discretion. So, that's pretty much it. So this week, once again, you should be finishing the quiz. You should be posting a thread on your issue, and then building off of that with a PowerPoint presentation or a Prezi. That doesn't matter to me, as long as it's easy for your group mates to see. So you'll be in groups and you'll post automatically to your group. And then, so by Monday or Tuesday, post your presentation. And then, it's more about the group work and it being a useful process for you of giving each other the feedback on your presentations. So that can go on for a week or for 2 weeks as far as that matters. So it's just meant to be helpful and to stimulate some robust conversation between your group. So those are the main things that I wanted to touch on, and then there'll be one more video for this week, and then there'll also be a discussion thread where you'll be in a group where you'll post your presentation by Monday or Tuesday. So thanks a lot, folks, and be in touch.